In today's adventure, I probably won't be working on nothing. I probably won't be fixing no cars. You know why? Because they hired 2 more techs, now it's 4 of us. And it's not enough work to go around. This little shop only got 7 bays. That bay is for alignments. The ones down there is for the GS doing oil changes. It's nothing to do. Every day. No current jobs. Well, today was slow, didn't have much work because it's too many techs and not enough work. So I did 3 oil changes, 1 with a rotation, and that's about it. If you really want to see some work getting done, why don't you check out this video or check out this video. I'm out, and thanks for watching.